Hello class, this is going to be a short video on how to install Virtualbox guest additions for anybody who's having issues during that part of lab number 2. Give me a quick second meanwhile my virtual machine boots up. Okay, so there are multiple ways of installing Virtualbox guest additions to your virtual machine. This is the most effective, as with other methodologies I have encountered issues in the past, but this one works about 99.9% of the time. So you click on devices and you click on insert guest addition CD image. This is gonna mount a virtual DVD drive in your computer, in your virtual machine. If you open in earlier versions of Ubuntu, it will pop up automatically. In this version of Ubuntu, I'm having problems making it pop up automatically, so we're just gonna do it a little bit manual here. So once you open your file manager, you click on the DVD drive that you see over here, which is bboxgas blah 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 blah, right? And then once you do that, you right click on the file manager and you click on open terminal. Once a terminal opens, you're gonna type the following command and period / and then we're gonna start typing this file over here, which is virtualbox guest additions.run. So letter V, and if you press the tab key twice, it will autocomplete to the next word, which is VBox, but it won't complete anymore because there are multiple words that match that particular beginning of phrase. So if you double tap again, it will show you all the files that match this criteria, which is they start with VBox, right? The one that we want is this one over here, right? So we're gonna continue typing. We're gonna type Linux, and then we're gonna press the tab key and it will autocomplete. At this point, you will press enter. Now, notice one beautiful error message that we got over here, which is what's great about Linux. We always get useful messages. You need administrator privileges. What this means is that we need to run this as if we are the super user of the computer or as root. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna type the word sudo at the beginning and then the same command. Period / capital V, press tab key, letter L, uppercase, and then press tab, and you press enter. Alternatively, you could have done the same thing by doing sudo and then 2 exclamation marks. This is something we're gonna see next, I believe, next lecture when we start working on the command line. So, Box Linux, and press enter. Type your password, and this is gonna run the installation of Virtualbox guest addition. After this, all you have to do is restart your computer and you should be good to go. If you're encountering any issues, feel free to reach out to me via Slack and we can meet on a one-on-one if needed. With that said, I will see you all next time. And again, if you're encountering problems, reach out to me. I'm available almost all the time. Just gonna let it finish. Okay, this is the message that you should be looking for. See, running kernel modules will not be replaced until system is restart. If this is what you got in the end, then you're good. Now what we have to do is restart the system. We can either do it by clicking here, power, restart, or you can just type reboot. And that's it. Oh, I had a pending update. Anyway, if you're having any problems, just let me know. Oh, it finished. It finished on time. Great. I can show you the next part, which is something I do in the original video as well, but since I have you here, I might as well show you here as well. So once you are at the login prompt and you type your password, make sure that you switch to your XOR session rather than the default Ubuntu session. And that's it. You're good to go. See you next time.